we continue our video series on how to improve vision without glasses. Today we present an updated eye trainer based on the Bates method. What makes it different from others? American chemists from the University of Toledo have discovered that blue light negatively affects vision. This is the very light emitted by most smartphone and computer screens. Researchers emphasize that exposure to blue light leads to retinal damage. The blue spectrum affects the photoreceptors of light-sensitive molecules, making these molecules toxic and destructive to almost any type of cell. With yellow or green light exposure, this effect does not occur. Moreover, according to scientists, the yellow-white spectrum is beneficial and improves vision. Based on these discoveries, we designed a new trainer using the correct colors. For example, we used a black background with minimum light temperature. We removed all texts, tips, and unnecessary screen elements to avoid additional backlighting. For the moving elements of the trainer, we used the spectrum of a candle flame, which, as we now know, improves vision. Rules for performing the exercises. While doing the exercises, it is best to remove glasses or contact lenses, but if you feel uncomfortable, you may keep them on. Sit comfortably, relax, and follow the moving objects on the screen with your eyes. After completing the set of exercises, close your eyes and sit calmly for 3 to 5 minutes. This is necessary for the final relaxation of the eye muscles. And now, let's begin the training. The exercises are finished. Now close your eyes and sit quietly for 3 to 5 minutes. Such routines should be done 1 to 3 times a day, no more, to avoid overtraining the muscles. If your eyes hurt the next day after the exercises, that is normal. It means your muscles worked well. After a few sessions, this sensation will disappear. The key is regular practice. It is better to do the exercises once a day, every day, rather than 3 times a day, but only once a week. Long breaks reduce the effectiveness of the training. Continue until you achieve results, that is, until your vision is fully restored. After that, use the trainer as needed, for example, for prevention or to relieve eye fatigue. While working with this and similar trainers, it is important to periodically check your vision. Use test charts, posters, or visit an optical salon to measure your eyesight. By the way, write in the comments if this trainer helped you or not. Has your vision improved or not? Also, feel free to ask questions. We will answer them. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to stay connected with the Academy of Health.